So I love doing dance theatre, especially in an outdoor setting, because it's a way of really connecting to people, and connecting to people that might not watch dance or theatre in general life. They might be just walking along, go into the shops or something, and come over and be like, oh, I wasn't expecting to see anything, but I really loved that, or like, oh, that music was great, maybe want to dance. It seems to appeal to lots of different people.
I really like the challenge of creating work for different audiences. I think we've been coming to Swansea Dance Days for a number of years now, and I'm excited to come back here every year, and it's nice to be able to put work together that is intergenerational. It can work for older people, younger people. There's a real sense of that like hope and message. Movement is everywhere, dance is everywhere, it's on our TVs, it's in music videos, it's the way people are moving around the square here now. I do think sometimes it can have a bit of a barrier. You think, oh, contemporary dance specifically, it's a bit weird and I don't understand it. However, I think we all understand body language and we all understand that physicality. It's a really lovely way of kind of sharing a message.
These kind of events are amazing. They're really brilliant for people to come in. It's all free. There's loads of different performances going on, and I feel like there's something for everyone. You know, there's more serious ones, there's sillier ones, there's kind of stuff for kids, and it's just really nice as well to see this part of the city come alive with performance.
I'm visually impaired, so I don't get to access a lot of circus because there's no audio description and stuff, quite frustrating. So I wanted to make a piece of circus theatre that had audio description in it. When we're doing the show, particularly when we're doing the doubles and we're kind of linked together and spinning round, and you can hear the audience and I can hear their reaction in the claps and stuff, it just makes me feel great because it makes me feel like just bringing something lovely in a world that can be very stressful.